was searching for an open door. I was looking for a peace of mind. It's a feeling that I didn't.
Jetzt habe ich vergessen, was ich sagen wollte.
Hello.
Hello. We are going to make a trip into the mountains today. To the southern part of Jotunheimen. There's a beautiful valley we want to explore. It's a 2-hour drive. And the sun is shining. And we are a little bit tired. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Like a storm outraged that night. In the dark I came undone. Oh, this house will win my own to end. So you can make it out. So you can make it out.
Situation right now is that we are not so sure if the road is open. We have to drive over the mountains, and it's like, there's a sign that it's closed, but we looked up in the internet, and there it stands that it's open from 12, so we are not so sure. Hope it will work. I think we will just drive. We will just go and see. Yeah, worst case, we just have to turn back. Was sagst du zu der Situation? Probably is there's like some road working going on, but they said it should be open from like certain periods, like from 1:15 to 1:30 or so. So we hope the road will open up soon.
Very soon. It's
A bit sad that we don't. Oh, somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. Das ist nicht ganz so toll an hier. Okay, aber
Okay,
hier ist
yes.
das. Sie sind Füße. Getting dark now, so it's time to go home. Back to the car and then back home. Und wieder zurück! Läufst du schnell? Hui!
Yeah.
And now 4 hours driving back home. In Google Maps, they always say like it's just 2 hours away or so, but we drove like 4.
No.
But that's maybe also because like we never plan our trips.
And there had been storms the night before,
Mm-hmm.
so the roads were closed. So we
Yeah,
had to wait twice.
would probably have been nice to look that up before we started to go. Let's go. Let's go back home. It's enough of this vlogging. We are back home now. It was such a beautiful trip, and I hope you enjoyed traveling with us. And yeah, as you might have noticed, I've tried a little bit of a different video style this time. I tried to make it a little bit more personal, which is also new for me. But yeah, I would really like to hear if you like that, or if you like the more regular atmosphere videos more, or maybe you have another idea or topic that you're interested in. So yeah, I would be really happy to hear. Just let me know, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.